My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of the Bepro network. As you know, the continuously falling of the Bepro network worry me. That's what's the next target of the Bepro network. And after that I research on Google, on a Twitter, then I have a decision after that, after the research, that why the Bepro network falls down and what is the next target of Bepro network, friends. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about Bepro network, friends. First of all, we look the price prediction of the Bepro network of the last one day, friends. As you can see, a very bad change occurred in the Bepro network in the last one day, friends. The change occurred in the Bepro network is about negative 10.65% falls occurred in the Bepro network in the last one day. And if we look the high price of the Bepro network, so the high price of the Bepro is about $0.0144646 USD dollar is the high price of Bepro network in the last one day, friends. Now, friends, if we look the next target of the Bepro network, so there is a line, as you can see, there is the next target of the Bepro network. As you can see here, after if they goes like at this direction, if they goes in this direction, so I think there is no jump occur in the Bepro network. The continuously falls of the Bepro network or starts now from this time. There the future of the Bepro network are very bad. As you can see here, they falls down, continuously falls down occur in the Bepro network. As you can see here, continuously falls down. They take a jump for a little time, and after jump they again falls down, take a jump. As you can see, take a jump, falls down, take a jump, falls down. Same process occur in the Bepro network. And if they continues this kind of change, if they continues this way change, so they become a very soon a high negative. The big jump of the Bepro network starts now. If you are a holder, to what should you do? Don't sell it at this time, Bepro coin. That's my suggestion. I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to invest, if you want to take a decision, please do your own research. That's only my suggestion for all of you. As you can see here, the change is at a negative, so you are also in the loss. So please, my suggestion for you to please don't sell your Bepro coin at this time, friends. When the Bepro network start explosion, so it's the best time. Maybe the future of the Bepro network, they take a jump. Maybe the future of the Bepro network are very bright. So please wait for your time and wait for the big bump of the Bepro network. You are also in the loss, so please wait for the future of the Bepro network. Thank you so much for watching this video. What's your opinion about Bepro network? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.